Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to the channel. Now in this video we'll be talking about how you can make $100 per day on YouTube, and that too without making your own videos. Okay, so we are going to use other people's videos which are already available on YouTube and how to go and use them on your channel to make $100 per day. Okay, now it's not that straightforward, so we have some ifs and buts, leaps and bounds, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, go and hit the subscribe button, like the video here somewhere, like the video, okay, subscribe and press the bell notification, leave your question and comments if you have any. Okay, just look at this guy here. He's trying to make money online all the time, he's just trying to fill his piggy box. Okay, so if you are also looking for ways to make money, especially on YouTube, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, this video might not be able to make money for you, but the methods which I'm going to tell you in the end, they will surely make money. Okay, so first of all, when you want to make money online on YouTube, what do you need? Well, you need views, right? Your video needs to get a lot of views, thousands of views, millions of views, right? Well, that is wrong. Okay, because I know the methods in which you can make money on YouTube in less views as well. Okay, I'm talking about making like $5 for 100 views as well. Okay, however, let's talk about the common scenario, because everybody understands that they need to have thousands or millions of subscribers on their YouTube channel. Let's talk about that perspective, that okay, how do you get hundreds of thousands of views or millions of views on your YouTube channel? Okay, because my channel is in a different category. Okay, I make reviews, so I don't get much views. Okay, but don't get me wrong, if you go into such categories like in this health and fitness, or some maybe facts and figures, conspiracy theories, or top 10 this, top 10 that. Okay, so if you go into those kind of niches which are very popular on YouTube, people spend time in watching such videos. Okay, so if I show you this example here, you see top 10 fastest train in the world, right? If you go and search this on YouTube, you will see so many videos, and they got like 15 million views 3 years ago, 46k views 7 months ago, 541k views 2 years ago. Okay, so people do watch these sort of videos online on YouTube, right? Now we'll talk about how we can go and use somebody else's videos, and then how can we monetize it, because just by getting views, it doesn't really matter, because your YouTube channel needs to be monetized. Monetized means that you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can make money with YouTube ads. Before YouTube accepts you into their partnership program, you need to fulfill this requirement. Okay, so there are two parts of this video: how to go and find these kind of viral videos and use them legally in your videos. Okay, and second part is, before you can do that, how to monetize your YouTube channel, otherwise you will not make money. So let's say this video has got 15 million views, but it did not this channel did not get monetized. It did not have those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Till then, this video, these views will make $0. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand one thing here: if you are going to use somebody else's videos, okay, even in this video we're going to talk about Creative Commons, right? So you go to filters here, you click on Creative Commons. Okay, and these are the videos which you can download and you can use them in your own on your own YouTube channel. You can just edit these videos, you can add some more, you can like compile these videos. So go and download like 1, 2, 3. Okay, go and download these 3 Creative Commons videos, merge them into one, compile them into one, and make your own video, make your own thumbnail. Okay, this is how you get to create your own content using Creative Commons videos. But the catch-22 here is that these kind of videos will not monetize your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you know this or you don't know this, I don't know, but you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel before your YouTube channel can be monetized by Google or by YouTube. Okay, now these kind of videos are okay to get views. Okay, so let's say you go and create these videos, and then when people will, when people will search for top 10 fastest trains in the world, your video might show up somewhere here and it might go viral. But the problem with that video is that the video will be getting, a lot of views, it will be getting thousands or millions of views, but when it will go into the monetization process, okay, so let's say as soon that video gets those 4,000 watch hours, as soon you get 1,000 subscribers on your channel using this Creative Commons video which you have uploaded, your YouTube channel will not be monetized, because this is not your original content. Okay, you went on to the YouTube, you found these Creative Commons videos, and then you downloaded them, you compiled them into one, you uploaded them on your channel, you started getting views. Everything is fine until here. Okay, everything is fine until here, until now that you're getting views, you're getting subscribers. But the problem is, this is not your content. So for YouTube to monetize your channel, you need to have your own content. Own content could be just taking a walk in the park. Okay, you just go out there in the park, or maybe on the beach, or wherever you go, you travel. Okay, you just take out your phone from your hands and just record something around you. You upload that on your YouTube channel. That is your own content, and that content has to get those 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so that is why I said there are two parts of this video. First part is I will talk about how you can make money by using these existing videos, but the second part is most crucial, because first you have to go and get your YouTube channel monetized. Okay, because right now if you go and start uploading these videos, you will get views, probably you will get views, but those views will make you nothing, because YouTube has not accepted you into their partner program. Okay, so if you're dreaming about making money on YouTube, the only way you will make money with YouTube, without selling anything, is if you are accepted into their YouTube partner program. Okay, for that you need to have original content. Original content is what? I am recording my video right now in my own voice. That is my original content. Okay, now what I can do is, because my YouTube channel is monetized, okay, I have 1,000 subscribers, I have 4,000, I guess. Okay, so yes, I have more than the required numbers. Okay, so what I can do right now, if I decide to, I can go ahead and compile these videos and edit them, and maybe add my own images and everything, and then I can upload these Creative Commons videos on my channel, and if they get views, they will make money, because my channel is monetized. Okay, but if your YouTube channel is like having 0 subscribers, or you only have 2-3 subscribers, or like one video, in that case, if you go and get these videos uploaded, still these videos might get views and everything, but these videos will not be considered for getting your YouTube channel monetized. Okay, so let me talk about how you can get your YouTube channel monetized first, because that's a milestone. Okay, every YouTuber wants to make money online on YouTube by just getting some views. Okay, for that to happen, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. Okay, so when you start working on YouTube, you have a time limit. Within the recent last 1 year, you need to achieve this milestone of getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, and then after your YouTube channel is monetized, you can upload as many videos you like. Okay, now if you try to do this on your own, if you try to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it will be a nightmare. Okay, getting 1,000 subscribers is still possible. Let's say some video got viral, or you have so many friends and family, and you ask everybody to come, join your channel. That is fine, you can get those 1,000 subscribers in 1 or 2 months. Okay, but how will you get those 4,000 watch hours? 4,000 watch hours is a lot of time. Okay, a lot of time somebody has to spend to watch your videos. Okay, so if you try to do this on your own, you will probably fail, get frustrated, or quit. Okay, but I can tell you the shortest way possible to get your YouTube channel monetized within 1 month. Okay, so within 1 month you can get your YouTube channel monetized without making your own videos. Okay, and after your YouTube channel is monetized, then you can start trying these videos. Go and find Creative Commons video, go and find these Creative Commons videos, for example, like top 10 fastest trains in the world, or maybe top 10 conspiracy theories you see here. So 18 million views. Okay, and 236k, so these are the kind of videos people actually watch. Okay, people are free, they want to spend their time on YouTube, they come there, they search for these terms, maybe funny videos, right? So let's say funny videos, right? Or maybe funny cats, funny dogs, you know how it works, right? 14K, 8.8 million views, right? So you go filter, let's see if we have any Creative Commons here or not. Let's see. We do. So 8.8 million views, and this is right. So what you can do is you are allowed to use these videos because they're Creative Commons, okay? So whatever video you choose, you pick, okay? Then you go and download it, okay? You can go on Google and you can type in, this YouTube downloader online, and you will find a lot of tools which will allow you to download these videos from YouTube directly, okay? After that, you compile all these videos maybe into one, add your own thumbnail, or just try to make them unique. And after your YouTube channel is monetized, go and upload these videos, and if these videos go viral, you will be making a lot of money, okay? But this process of using somebody else's videos and using Creative Commons videos, this process you should follow only after your YouTube channel has been approved, has been monetized by YouTube, okay? Because if you do this before, then all the watch hours which you will get, so let's say you have 0 subscribers right now, and you have uploaded these videos, and these videos are getting views and everything, but the watch hours which you will get on these videos, they will not be counted by YouTube, because this is not your content. Are you understanding here what I'm saying? If you are understanding what I'm saying, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, okay? Because I am just like this guy making money online all the time, okay? So if you want to make money on YouTube, $100 more than that per day, because there are two parts I told you. You have to go and get your YouTube channel monetized. I will show you how, okay? And then you have to go and make these videos, and if these videos go viral, you can make a lot of money, okay? So let's talk about the very crucial thing, how to get these 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours within 2 weeks, okay? So for that, you go below this video right now. Below this video, click on the first link here where it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, okay? And once you click on that, you will be on this page here where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're brand new, okay? Option number 1 is email marketing. I will skip this for this video. People who are interested into email marketing, they can try watching this video. But let's talk about Traffic Jarvis here, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then your YouTube channel will go into the review, and within 30 days your YouTube channel will be monetized. This is the fastest way to get your YouTube channel monetized, and Traffic Jarvis is a 17 hours video training, okay? So I cannot make you understand everything in these 15-20 minutes here only in this video. So you have to go and check out Traffic Jarvis. Click on this play button here, and then on the next page, enter your name and email. Click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email, and that will take you to this video of Traffic Jarvis. Watch this video and then take action and get your YouTube channel monetized. Get the part 1 done, okay? Once your YouTube channel is monetized, after that we can worry about that, should you come on the camera, should you make your own videos, or should you use somebody else's content, okay? That is the second part, okay? You are not supposed to worry about that part, how to make videos, how not to, until your YouTube channel is not monetized. Because I told you, if you go and make these videos right now, but nobody your YouTube channel is not monetized, so let's say you got 50,000 views, okay? If you made a funny video, in funny video you cannot do affiliate marketing, right? In funny video you cannot go ahead and make money online products, or you cannot go and sell some weight loss products in funny videos, right? So in these kind of videos, the only chance to make money you have is YouTube ad revenue, okay? And YouTube ad revenue means how much you get paid for, per 1,000 views, all right? So for all that thing, you need to go and get your YouTube channel monetized, and then worry about what kind of videos to make, okay? So again, go below my video, click on the first link here, come to this page, and then come to Traffic Jarvis, okay? Sign up here, then go and watch Traffic Jarvis video. Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 1 month, okay? It is a 17 hours video training in which you will learn everything, what kind of videos to make, how to make, what kind of niches to choose, because in the beginning I told you, you can make money on YouTube in less views as well. Even if your video gets 100 or 200 views, you can still make those 10 bucks, okay? You don't have to get 1,000 views to make 3 bucks. That's the normal that's normal revenue sharing from YouTube. So everybody out there thinks that you need to have like millions, thousands of views to make money. No, if you get millions of views, you make billions already, okay? But you can make less, less money, you can make more money and less views too. Okay, example is, if your video gets 1,000 views, I know certain niches, okay, those niches can make you like let me check, 1,000 views will be around easily, I would say, $200. Okay, for 1,000 views, I know niches which can make you around $200, which is a lot of money. Okay, just for 1,000 views, right? And if you see here some examples, I have made 3 to 5, 6 just with YouTube videos without selling anything. Okay, just with just with the YouTube videos I upload every day, and this is the money I have made so far. And you can see here, this is the money I have made by promoting other people's products. Okay, so this is these are the reviews which I make. Okay, but anyways, so if you come here again, let's do a recap. The recap is, to make $100 per day on YouTube, you need to go and complete 2 parts. Part one is you go and get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel, and you can try Traffic Jarvis. You will get them in 2 weeks, and your YouTube channel will be monetized within 30 days. Okay, once your YouTube channel is monetized, then you can go ahead and come on YouTube and search for your topics, what kind of videos you want to make, like fastest train, some facts, some brain exercise, some health and fitness, and then go and download and combine all those videos into one. Have your own thumbnail, and you can make it unique in your own way, and then upload it on YouTube. And after that, if your video gets views, then those views will be paid. Paid means then YouTube will be showing ads in your videos, because your YouTube channel is already monetized. Are you getting the point or not? So when somebody else tells you that, okay, yeah, just go and use somebody else's video, it will go viral, you will make money, how will you make money? Because your YouTube channel was never monetized. Okay, and again, I'm telling you, even if you go and get millions of views, but that is not your content, then YouTube will not count those watch hours for your channel. Okay, consider part one very important. Go and use Traffic Jarvis, click on the first link, and then go and get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your own content. And in this training, Traffic Jarvis, you will learn everything how you can go and create your own content without coming on the camera. Okay, so I cannot go on and on, because it's a 17 hours video training, Traffic Jarvis, and I cannot just go and explain everything in this 20 minutes video. Okay, so I guess it was helpful to you. So making money on YouTube is absolutely possible. It is not that difficult if you take action. 99% people on the internet, they don't take action. So they might be blaming everybody else on the internet. It doesn't work, it's pretty difficult, blah blah blah. Yes, it is blah blah blah, because you are blah blah blah. You don't want to work. Okay, if you want to work, you will not find excuses for yourself. Okay, so go take action, click on the first link, get your YouTube channel monetized. If you want to make money on YouTube for the rest of your life, Traffic Jarvis is going to help you with everything. And you can contact me as well. You can click on show more here. You will find all these links. Okay, if you want to make money just by making some reviews, you can try Kishacking. But I would say Traffic Jarvis is something which you need for lifetime. Okay, this is my email, this is my Skype ID. In case if you have any questions, you can contact me, and hopefully I will see you inside Traffic Jarvis, and I'll be talking to you again in my next video. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Tada, bye bye.